Ever experienced the fun of digging up a failed outdoor network cable run? It's hot, it's cold, the ground is unforgiving, nobody enjoys working with it. Moisture ingress, soil movement, and long distances all put massive strain on cables, and most of them just aren't built for that kind of punishment. That's why we made Kordz ONE Cat6 direct burial cable. It features a UV-stabilised PE jacket with water-blocking gel for true direct burial, plus 24 AWG solid OFC copper for dependable terminations. It delivers 1 gigabit per second PoE++ up to 100 meters, and up to 10 gigabits per second at 55 meters, where your hardware supports it. A 6.3mm cable diameter for robust yet manageable pulls. It's ANSI TIA 568.2D compliant, and comes meter-marked on a wooden reel for easy installations, and it's backed by a 5-year warranty. It also seamlessly integrates with Kordz keystones and RJ45 plugs for a secure end-to-end system. For underground networking that's reliable the first time and every time, specify Kordz professional-grade ONE Cat6 direct burial cable for connectivity assured. Find out more at kordz.com.